Indoor comfort plays a major role in how enjoyable a home feels day to day. Temperature consistency, air quality, and noise levels all affect your living experience, often more than homeowners realize. One upgrade that can significantly improve comfort is door replacement. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, replacing old or worn doors can make a noticeable difference in how the home feels, functions, and performs throughout the year. Reducing drafts and air leaks. One of the most common comfort issues in homes is unwanted air movement around doors. Over time, doors can warp, seals can break down, and gaps can form between the door and frame. These openings allow outdoor air to enter freely, making rooms feel uncomfortable and uneven in temperature. Door replacement helps eliminate these issues by providing a precise fit and updated sealing. New doors close tightly against the frame, reducing drafts and preventing outside air from disrupting indoor conditions. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this leads to a more stable and comfortable interior environment. Supporting consistent indoor temperatures. Old doors often struggle to keep indoor temperatures consistent. When conditioned air escapes through gaps or thin materials, cooling systems have to work harder to maintain comfort. This can lead to hot or cool spots near entryways and increased energy use. Replacement doors are designed with improved insulation and construction that help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Homeowners in Pompano Beach often notice that rooms feel more balanced and comfortable after upgrading doors, especially in areas near entrances. Improving humidity control. Humidity can affect how comfortable a home feels, making spaces feel sticky or heavy. Doors that don't seal properly allow humid outdoor air to enter, impacting indoor comfort and air quality. Replacing doors helps limit unwanted moisture intrusion by creating a tighter barrier between indoor and outdoor spaces. This improved seal helps support better humidity control, making the home feel fresher and more comfortable. For Pompano Beach homeowners, managing indoor humidity is an important part of maintaining a pleasant living environment. Creating a quieter interior. Noise can significantly impact comfort, especially in busy neighborhoods. Older doors often provide little sound insulation, allowing outside noise to travel into the home. Thin materials and worn seals make it easier for sound to pass through. Door replacement improves sound reduction by using sturdier materials and better sealing. New doors help block out unwanted noise, creating a quieter and more relaxing interior. Homeowners in Pompano Beach appreciate how this upgrade contributes to a calmer home atmosphere. Enhancing ease of use and daily comfort. Doors that stick, drag, or don't close properly can be a daily frustration. These issues affect comfort not just physically, but mentally. Constantly adjusting or forcing a door can disrupt daily routines. Replacement doors are designed to open and close smoothly, providing dependable operation. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this ease of use adds to everyday comfort and convenience, making the home feel more functional and well-maintained. Improving air quality and freshness. Properly sealed doors help maintain cleaner indoor air by keeping dust, allergens, and outdoor pollutants from entering the home. Gaps around old doors allow unwanted particles to slip inside, affecting air quality. Replacing doors helps create a more controlled indoor environment. Homeowners in Pompano Beach often notice that their homes feel fresher and cleaner after upgrading doors, supporting a healthier living space for the entire household. Adding comfort without major renovation. One of the advantages of door replacement is the impact it delivers without requiring a full renovation. It's a focused upgrade that improves comfort quickly and effectively. For Pompano Beach homeowners looking to enhance indoor living without major disruption, replacing doors offers a simple yet powerful solution. A comfortable home starts at the door. Doors play a critical role in indoor comfort, even though they're easy to overlook. By reducing drafts, stabilizing temperatures, controlling humidity, and minimizing noise, door replacement transforms how a home feels. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, upgrading doors is an investment in everyday comfort, creating a home that feels more balanced, peaceful, and enjoyable all year long.